Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I created this glam makeup look. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I already prepped my skin, then I went ahead with the foundation and did the dotting onto the neck also, because it's very important to match your face and neck. Then I went ahead and blended everything in. Then I went ahead with this concealer, applied it onto my under eye area and the dark spots that I was able to see. Then I blended everything in nicely. Then I setted everything with the compact powder that I had. Next I took this eyebrow pencil from Xoxo and did my eyebrows. I've started using eyebrow pencil for a change and I liked it. I don't know, it will take time I guess. Spoolie is a very nice thing because it sets everything. Then I went ahead, take a clear brush and blended everything in. Took this red and pink shade from this palette and applied it onto my cheeks. Also my nose because I like it. Then I took this neutral shade from this eyeshadow palette that is from Wet n Wild and I applied it onto the lid. Did the same thing on the another one. Then I took this dark shade and started stamping it onto the outer area of my eyelid. Then I blended everything in. Did the same thing on the another lid. Then I took this sparkly shade and did it in the inner side of my eyelid to give it like a glam type of look. Then I took the same shade and blended the two colors together. Then I took this eyeliner from Lakme and tried making a wing. Then I took this mascara from Xoxo. I really like this mascara. Then I went ahead with the highlighter, highlighted my nose. Then I took this lipstick from Nykaa. I didn't like this shade because it was too red. Then I took this Maybelline Super Matte lipstick and voila! Everything is done. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.